Hello, welcome to Today. In today's video, I will be showing you a simple and fast way to tie a tie. Before you start, you want to ensure that the broad side of the tie is on your right hand side, and it should be 4 times the length of the slim side, which should be on your left hand side. So the next step is to bring the broad side of the tie to rest on the slim side of the tie, so it should look like this. So once you've gotten to this stage, then what you want to do next is to gradually take the broad side of the tie, then bring it, then if you look at me carefully, then gradually take the broad side of the tie, then you bring it from the top, then take it through the vacuum created between the broad side and the slim side. So it should look like this at this stage. So once you've done it once, it should look like this at this stage. Then you go again, then you take the broad side of the tie, you do just exactly as you did the previous time, but in this occasion you'll be taking it from the left hand side now. So the first time you did it from the right hand side, so this time you'll be taking it through the vacuum from the left hand side. So at the second stage, your tie should look like this. So what is left for us to do now is to take the broad side of the tie, then you take it around. It's like you want to create a circle around the slim side, which you are still holding. Then when you get to the middle of the tie, as you can see, then you take it through the vacuum created between the broad side and the slim side. Then you gradually take it through the circle created. Then when you get to this stage, you gradually adjust your tie so that it comes out straight. So you gradually adjust the tie. So that's it. That's the tie. So that's how to tie a tie. And with a little bit of practice, you can actually do this within seconds. So in less than a minute, you can actually do this. So if you've done a bit of practice. So